Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful braided wig. This is color 1. If you want it in any other color, just let me know. So you can order this wig from my website global.shana.co.ke, or you can WhatsApp me and just let me know the color that you prefer. Just comment down below if you love this style, the front part, the back part. I also have this style in a fullest. As you can see, this is a fullest and this is how it looks. So just comment down below if you love it, and then I ship worldwide. If you are from Europe, from US, from Australia, I ship worldwide. So just contact me and you'll get it. Also check my website for more styles, or you can check my previous videos or my TikTok videos for more styles, and just screenshot what you want and send it on my WhatsApp and I will make it for you. So I make my wigs on order. Processing time is 3 to 6 days because of the queue. And yeah, so that was it for today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.